Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn the Korean nature words. There's going to be a series of videos on this topic. So let's start with the part 1. The first one is the Korean word for nature, and that is 자연. 자연. Okay? Next comes the Korean word for mountain, and that is 산. 산. Okay, here comes the Korean word for tree, and that is 나무. 나무. Next comes the Korean word for sea, and that is 바다. 바다. Now let's see the Korean word for leaf, and that is 잎. 잎. Okay, here comes the Korean word for waterfall, and that is 폭포. 폭포. Alright, now let's see how to say river in Korean language, and that is 강. 강. Okay, next comes the Korean word for flower, and that is 꽃. 꽃. Okay, here comes the Korean word for ocean, and that is 태양. 태양. Okay, now let's see the Korean word for desert, and that is 사막. 사막. Alright, so today we learned a few words related to nature in the Korean language. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.